All right, we're here with the CVMA. What are we doing here today?
We are having what we call is a poker chip run. So the poker chip run is different than a poker card run. So you get chips and chip values as opposed to you get a straight hand or a flush.
All right, so what are we here for? Who are we benefiting?
We're benefiting the Combat Vets Motorcycle Association, right? And all the money we raise goes back into the community, to our local veterans. Primarily focused right now on the charity called Project Package, which does care packages and whatnot for soldiers and sailors while deployed. And then another group called the Fifth Squad, which is based out of Jackson, who takes care of helping veterans pay their bills and whatnot when they get tight spots. And then whatever's left, somebody calls us a vet, and then we prove out to be a vet and they need help, building a lawn or building a deck or paying the utility bill and whatnot. We give them hands doing that as well.
All right, that's a good benefit. Did you have a good turnout today?
Not bad. Could always be better, but we'll take what we can get. We're happy.
All right, so where are we at?
We are in South Haven, Mississippi.
All right, and we're at Southern Thunder Harley-Davidson. All right, I'm here with Squirrel from the CVMA. So go ahead and introduce yourself and tell us what you do.
Hi, I'm Squirrel. I'm with the CVMA Auxiliary. I am the Mississippi Auxiliary State Rep. And our auxiliary members, we're here to support our sponsors, which would be our full member and support members of the CVMA. But what we do, the big thing that we do, is we raise funds for the CVMA Auxiliary National Scholarship. This last year, we gave out over $280,000 in scholarships to members' families. So members, spouses, children of members, and grandkids of members can apply for this scholarship every year. If you receive the award, you get it once, and then that's it, but you can apply every year and try to get the scholarship. But last year was the biggest year we have raised funds for the scholarship ever. Like I said, over $280,000 was paid out to members so that they could get their college education under their belts and have a little less debt.
Yeah, that's incredible. And that actually goes a long way. You would think, people talk about how expensive college is, but it costs a lot to actually be in the college. To take the college courses isn't that much, and you can make that go a very long way.
Yes. Oh, yes. I wish I had known about it when I did college, because I had a lot of debt. I got it all paid off, but I did have a lot of debt, and it would have been nice to have a little bit of help. And it's wonderful. I love being able to get people excited about it and help them understand what it does and what we do.
Absolutely. All right, that's raw. So who is the CVMA open to?
CVMA is open to any service member. It's combat vets. So combat vets veterans that have been in combat would be full members. If you've not been in combat, then you can be a support member, but we all consider everybody one big happy family. So we have auxiliary members that have served in the military, but they prefer to be an auxiliary member and support the CVMA members themselves. And ultimately, it's totally about vets helping vets. We're out here to help the vets and make sure that nobody is without, or we've helped clear land, we've helped build decks. I know of other chapters, they've helped put roofs on people's houses. So, some of these older vets that just don't get out of their houses, that's what we do. We help them. We help them to make sure they're comfortable, they're not suffering, that they have things that they need, and we take care of each other because it's a family.
So if somebody wanted to get involved in the CVMA, where would they go?
Combatvet.us would be the website. They could find a local chapter and just get in contact with any member, and you would fill out your application. They'll double check to make sure that your DD 214 is in place and what you need on it, and you can get involved with any local chapter.
So what's that website?
Combatvet.us.
Combatvet.us. So go online, even if you don't know that you want to join, get on and find out what they do, and you can even donate. You don't have to join to donate.
Absolutely. Down at the bottom, there's a place you can donate to the scholarship, or if you want to just donate to the combat vets themselves, there's ways to donate there too as well.
Excellent. All right, thanks for talking with us, Squirrel.
Absolutely.